The virtual wall keeps Roomba in the areas you want cleaned and out of the areas you don't. To set up the dual-mode virtual wall, install 2 AA batteries. To select virtual wall mode, slide the switch to the up position. The top ring will pulse 5 times, then stop when the virtual wall is turned on. Even though the light stops pulsing, the virtual wall is still active. Virtual wall mode creates an invisible 10-foot cone-shaped barrier that Roomba will not cross. Be sure that the indicator on top of the virtual wall is pointing in the direction you want blocked. Please note, the next time the light comes on and blinks repeatedly, it will be because the batteries are low and need to be replaced.